Hello everyone, welcome back to Dream UK. If you have applied for skilled worker visa, you must be very excited because you are about to start a new chapter in your life, an exciting chapter. And once you've applied for your visa, you keep thinking about when you will be getting your decision, when your application will get processed. So in this video, I will be telling you what's the processing timeline for skilled worker visa application. And I'll be talking about two things. The first thing would be what's the official timeline based on the UKVI website, and the second thing would be what's the actual timeline, because there is a big difference between the timeline mentioned on the website versus how long it actually takes to get decision on the application. So make sure you watch the video till the end because I will be covering both these topics in the video. So if we talk about the official timeline of skilled worker visa application based on the UKVI website, if you are applying inside the UK, your application will get processed within 8 weeks. But if you're applying from outside the UK, then your application will get processed in 3 weeks. And this time period starts when you have submitted your application, when you have provided your biometrics and your identity proofs. Okay. And you can fast track this process by opting in for priority service and super priority service. If you opt for priority service, you will have to pay £500 additional to your application fee, and by doing so your application will get processed within 5 working days. So it's much more quicker compared to the official timeline of skilled worker visa. And if you opt in for super priority visa, then you will have to pay £1,000 above your application fee, but you will get your decision within 1 working day. If you're applying on weekday, then you will get your decision at the end of the next working day, and if you're applying on a weekend or a bank holiday, then you will get the decision in the next 2 working days. So that's the official timeline. And I also talked about the priority and super priority service that you can opt in order to get faster decision. And now I will be talking about what's the real timeline, how long it actually takes to get decision on your skilled worker visa application. So I'll be talking about my example and I'll be talking about my friend's example. So in my case, I applied for skilled worker visa last year and my company paid for the priority service, and because of the priority service I got the decision within 24 hours. Now my company didn't pay for the super priority service. My company only paid for priority service, based on which I should have received a decision within 5 working days. However, even after paying just £500 extra, I received the decision within 24 hours, which is equivalent to how long it takes to get decision if you pay for super priority visa. Okay. And if I talk about applications where you don't pay for priority service, so my friends didn't pay anything extra to get their application processed quicker. So in their application they received the decision in 2 weeks. One of my friends received the decision in 2 weeks, the other one received the decision in 15 working days approximately, and they applied for the visa within the UK. And based on the official timeline, people who apply within the UK, they might have to wait up to 8 weeks, but in reality they only had to wait for 2 weeks approximately. So that's the actual timeline that people are experiencing at the moment. Okay, so if you're about to apply for skilled worker visa and you found this video helpful, do let me know in the comments, and also subscribe to my channel because I keep posting lots of informative videos on my channel to support visa applicants and people who are living in the UK, working in the UK, people who want to travel in the UK. So I make all type of vlogs. So if you haven't subscribed, do that now. That's all from my side. Take care. Bye.